Right, hello, and welcome back to another episode of the Captain of Industry. Ta-da! I built a power plant. It's actual copy. If you Google search, let me see what the name is. Captain of Industry power setup. The first solution is proper. I'm just gonna give a shout out straight away. It's a year old post on Reddit by Captain Red Pants. There we go. This is where I'm stealing this from. It's from Captain Red Pants, and yeah, this is the setup. It's still not done. We still need to have input of water, but everything else should be there. I think, yeah, they were getting water. What am I doing here? They were getting water, I think, by trucks. I just prioritized building this so we can start feeding this into the system. I'm not sure how much water we're gonna get from the cooling towers. This is another thing that we researched recently, but yeah, this is how the setup looks on the screenshot. It does have nice concrete floors. I didn't put concrete floors yet. I'm just testing this out. Okay, so let's try to bring water here. How do I want to bring water? We have some water here. Oh, right, I just ran out of water here. I need to prioritize this as well. Because we ran out of water for chickens. Here. So yeah, I think we're gonna need more water. Yeah, so this is oh right, chickens. We have the eggs. We're getting 6 eggs per minute, just under, and no food. I think we had some slaughtered animals here. There's 2 of them, but we need more. So I'm waiting for the the flock of chickens to grow to a higher level, and this is like over 450. Everything over is going to be slaughtered. So I'm thinking that this is going to be approximate number, just under 20 per minute of meat production. That's going to be like 60% of this, approximately, between 50 and 66% third production of this. This is going to require water as well. It's not using it now, so definitely water is going to be needed shortly. Okay, so this is it now. I'm going to have to deliver water here. How do I want to get this water? Let's see where the underground sources are. Underground source is here. So do I want to deliver it this way, or do I want to desalinate water? Desalinate water. No, the desalination ponds, evaporation ponds are not. Oh, these are heated? No, they're not. There's no power going in here. Or do I do the desalination plant, or how do I do this? I have no idea. So for now, I will think about that. What other ways of getting water we have? We have rainwater. Is that going to be enough? How much water? Oh my god, each one of them requires 48. Oh lord. Okay, let me see the pipes. The pipes are big. I'm gonna have to upgrade the pipes. A lot of pipes need to be level 2 at least for water delivery. Obviously this pressure as well. Pressure is being delivered from here. Well, it's still not being delivered anywhere, but yeah, there's pressure. This one is full of pressure. Yeah, this needs to be finished first before we can utilize it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this one alone. Okay, research-wise, let's see. In the last episode that I had drunk through, so last episode I put a lot of stuff for researching, and I told you I'm not gonna even finish all of that, and it's a fact. Ship bridge, ship engine, these are the 2 things that I prioritize at the moment. Then we're gonna go with the rest of them. Chicken farm, not enough water. Yeah, we're building it. Hold your horses, hold your chickens. Let's speed this up. You can see here that gas is very low. What I'm gonna start doing is disassembling disassemble of these things. Let's go and let's demolish. Oh, is that gonna be? Do I have enough for power production to demolish this? Well, one way to find out, right? This is gonna give me construction materials also that are needed. You can see here that we are at 0 with level 2 construction materials. We are fine with level 3 and level 1, but these are not. Okay, unfortunately, well, a lot of stuff here requires level 1, like pipes require level 1. I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna still keep the gas production over here, but I think this might have to change as well. This is 1 power removal. There we go. I will leave the diesel power production, sorry, light and heavy oil power production here. I will leave it just because we need backup, but also this setup doesn't seem to have... let's truck in the water. I don't know if this is a closed system or not. No, definitely not. This is gonna return 48 water, and each one of these, maximum 48 water, and each one of these boilers requires 48, and we have 4 boilers. So yeah, that's gonna be challenging. Let me see this. Yeah, you burn everything. You burn coal and biomass. That's great. Water. Hopefully, it's being. Chicken farm. Not enough water. Yeah, that's the thing that we were... Okay, so this should be changed. Wait. This is gonna require bigger pipes, I think. Well, let's see. Let's let the water first come here. Why is blinking? Because part of it is being shipped there, right? No, everything should be shipped here. This allows 60 water. Yeah, this should be all full. Why is it not? Look. Huh. I'm just thinking out loud. Why? Okay, this should be full of water now because there's water coming here. Looks like it's not. How much water do you need? Only 14, right? This pipe can transfer 60, and pipe is full. So every other water should come in here. This one, no water goes there. Of course, this is gonna be blinky blink because, yeah, we should be getting enough water here. Oh, the chickens don't have enough food now. Come on, man. Seriously? Okay, that's a challenge now. Let's see what's happening here. We need food, animal feed. So this is compost. So where do we get animal food? Here. No, this is compost, dirt. Animal food comes from, yeah, okay, from here. They're delivering. Okay, this is not gonna work out for us. I need to produce way more animal food. This was just how much animal food were we getting here? 2. And how much are you consuming? 12.5. Okay, so they are getting this now. Huh, this is gonna be interesting. Logistics of this looks like I reached 400 chickens and it doesn't want to move from there. We either have water problem or feed problem. Feed problem is the bigger one, I think. Water should be resolved, but we'll see. Wait and see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait and see if the water is gonna be resolved by the second pump over here. Okay, we have more water over here. What do I do with this water? This is water for the farms. I think that's fine. Okay, coffee time. Yeah, so all of this has a backup in coal, so coal is always going to be there for running the boilers. Oh, okay, so what is happening here? So I need to auto balance these, I think. Priority, whatever, high priority, low priority, because yeah, I want them to work only when. Oh wow, all of these need to have. Okay. Okay, auto balancing. None of these power plants work. Should I? Yeah, I can turn this one off. Tell these that priority. Is that a boiler? No, these are priorities, right? Yeah, I need to test it. Let's go for low priority and low priority here. Any other power plants are working. These guys are working here. I'm gonna put you as a low priority as well. And let's see how this is going to work. Yeah, I think water is definitely gonna be a problem if this is gonna be our main power production. I don't know about the... I just copied all of this. I didn't set any priorities, but I'm thinking that here in priority, that's important for the biomass to be burned first, because I have no use for biomass. Yeah, this is the only uses. I can put it in compost, I can put it in steam, or yeah. Anyway, so steam it is. And you can see here how many of them are working. Okay. I think this is fair. This is fair enough. What's the priority here again? Let me just check. The normal priority is 6. Okay, and I'm gonna assume that this is not working. Yeah, you can see, but there. I don't like that we are burning this. I would rather us produce electricity from this until we get more uses out of this. So let's go this, and hopefully now they're gonna stop burning in these flares. So this guy is gonna start producing the light oil again. Oh, sorry, consuming light oil. So we're not gonna be wasting it. This is literally wasting it. Okay, so we removed one of the gas productions. We have, yeah, this is the gas production. We removed this, and now this gas can be shipped over here and then used for the power production in these. Yeah, let them. Again, well, I'm very happy that I did this, how it looks. I think I'm gonna have to have permanent water delivery here. I'm still thinking, do I have desalination, electric desalination? Saltwater pump, boiler. What is desalination again? Recycling. It was the distiller. No. Yeah, this is it. Is it the distiller that we were using there? Yeah, I think we did salt water in the distiller. But don't we have any other ways of producing this water here? No, this is just recycling water. I need to produce water. Okay, so it's we have this distillery, basic distillery. We can use coal to get water, but we need way more water than this. As you can see here, if we have the closed loop system, we would need to feed, not really closed loop, we're gonna have to feed it. But if we want to have this operational at 100%, which is never going to be, well, I don't know. Eventually it probably will, but 48 times 4, that's what I wanted to say. That's just under, that's 190, right? 192, if my calculation is correct. 4, right? Because if it was 50, it would be 200 minus 8, 192 water. So just under 200 water needs to be shipped from here. And how much does it say that you have throughput here? This is blinking. This looks like this is running at the limit, or we are transferring all the water from here. Yeah, I think some of the water systems that I have are not going to be working that well because we're consuming more water than ever. I think we're consuming more water than ever. So I'm going to assume that some of the farms, well, they're not full of water. Oh, this one is interesting. Well, it's raining now, so it's probably gonna go up. How are farms? Farms are doing fine, but this one is not. You can see here that this water is empty. Okay, so I need to feed more water in the system, and that should be it. Well, unless it's more than 200, because this is throughput of 200 per minute. Transportation speed tiles per second. Okay, so yeah. 200 per minute, unless we are consuming more than this, and I really don't know how much water our farms consuming. Average water demand, 33. Could be that they're producing, consuming more water than we are pumping in. And then the rain, how to calculate for rain, I don't think we can. So yeah, what I'm gonna do here is build a crap load of new pumps, water pumps. Some of them are gonna be, do I separate them or do I have one water system for all? Yeah, that's what we need. One failure point for the whole system. No, I'm gonna separate them. So how do I do that? Oh, look at the forests. Oh my god, this is horrible. Yeah, interesting. Chicken farm food. Okay. Water for now, let them tank in water. I'm not gonna address this now. They can tank in water and looks like it's working. It's just because these guys are not consuming any. They're not consuming any electricity, so this consumption of this is very low. It's just for probably creating inertia for the flywheels. And then why are then 4 of these working out? Because they are getting water equally. I should spread the water. Let's see. I need to have priority input. Yes. Use this water first. That should be clear. And then the steam is equally being distributed between all the water towers. So that's why all 4 are working. Because they filled at the same time probably, and that's it. Now they're gonna be empty because this is not working. Okay, so this is not a problem. I think because this is a backup system, we can run off the water deliveries. But what I need to do is I need to increase the animal food production and deliver it here. So what are we doing here? We have animal food being produced out of corn, and this needs to go like this. And let's go like this. They're gonna be taking this now. Yes. So this animal feed is gonna be used in feeding the chickens. It's just how... Oh wow. What? Oh man, no. What? Okay, what? No, wait, what? Oh shoot. No, I don't need this. At the moment, yeah, this is backup. I understand this is backup, but I need this in chicken. Chicken needs this food. I mean, I can't stop it now, but hopefully chickens will get... Yeah, these guys are getting... Yeah, they're delivering animal feed here. Okay, I don't know why they delivered it there, but now we're gonna have chicken feed here. I don't know why they didn't do it before, because now I forced them to unload this. I don't want to force them. I want them to come here. There we go, more corn incoming. Is this animal feed produced in these? No, it's compost. Okay, so animal feed is produced here, and then we are processing this into the compost, which I don't want to do anymore. Interesting. And then compost is being turned into fertilizer. Is this fertilizer working? I don't think it is, because we are very low here on fertilizer. What are you missing? You're missing fertilizer. What are you missing? You're missing ammonia. Okay, so this is another thing. Yeah, this is what I was doing last night, I remember now. So I'm low on ammonia because this sour water stripper is working at 100%. Well, depending on the requirement for diesel, because if they're not sending them sour water, we are not getting ammonia. So I need to find other ways of getting ammonia. So you can see here that we have stripper, sour water stripper, stripper, yeah, we have a stripper, sour water stripper that produces ammonia, but we have here hydrogen and nitrogen. How do we get nitrogen? Is not a problem, right? I think we are even wasting a lot of nitrogen here. Yeah, we're wasting nitrogen. So how do I get, let's see, this and then hydrogen. How do I get hydrogen? Do we have any ways? No. I have ways of dumping hydrogen, but no ways of producing it. This is from naphtha. This is where we are going eventually. Okay, so I think we are stuck here. I think we need hydrogen. Either from electrolyzer or from the cracking unit, but both of those require, this one requires naphtha, and naphtha, I know that naphtha requires a higher level of, higher, we need to research Oh, here's electrolysis. This is where we get hydrogen. And we need, where is the, this is the storage housing, not here, pipes not here. We need next level of refining. Air furnace, plastics, mixer. I'm missing it. It should be here. Here, naphtha processing. It's one of the next things that we need to research, but it's on the way to be researched. I have a couple of problems at the moment. We are not supplying enough research equipment, so the lab equipment, in order for these guys to work, as fast as possible. So we need to either increase this. Let me see, how much are you consuming? 12 into 12, how much are you producing? 24, okay. So we are producing double, we can double this. This is not a problem. What is this? Paper, okay. Let's do this. We're gonna go and produce another assembly right here. And next to you, we're gonna put storage unit, rotate it. You're gonna be selecting the level 2, these, okay. And then we're gonna connect you with you, and you with you. And what do I do with this? If I just connect this, I'm gonna be snookering myself. Actually, I think if it's short distances, that should be fine. They can reach this. Okay, so we are doubling now the production of research equipment. There we go. We have everything. Oh, this needs to be having paper. Glass is in the middle. Are we consuming more glass or paper? Same. Polish Parliament, also known as same. Okay. Anything else here? No. I think we're fine. Animal feed. Hopefully this is gonna produce more animal feed that we can use. Okay, maybe not. How much animal feed? Let's do this test. I'm thinking about not using animal feed anymore over here. So just using then the bio mass. Okay, so what do I need to do here is disconnect this. I need to disconnect this. Like that. And I'm thinking of building this storage for biomass right here. And then build the conveyor belt. Let's do this. This is the biomass. And please keep it full, half full. And then let's go with the conveyor belts going from here into here. Oh, right, it's my bad. Here we go, and then this one needs to be reversed. There we go. So it's reversed now. Yeah, they have a little bit of animal feed left, but let's see. And how much animal feed is being produced here? I don't know, because it depends on the harvest. And what are we harvesting here? We're harvesting the heck out of all of this. I'm concerned about the fertilizer because some of the places I'm overusing for food production. I intentionally wanted to dump all the fertilizer somewhere, and yeah, this is the place that depends hugely on the vegetables and soybeans. Soybeans are needed for, I think, protein, for tofu, for protein for our guys. And it currently looks like it's producing. I think I'm gonna have to expand the farming. The problem is gonna be the problem is going to... Oh, right. One more thing I need to start considering. Even though I'm using now heavy oil for this ship, I need to turn them to diesel. When I research that naphtha thing, when I research the naphtha processing, then I'm going to be able to turn... Wait, what with the heavy oil then? What is heavy oil used for? Let's do that research a little bit. So we have heavy oil here. Heavy oil is... we get it from the refining, but we can get... Oh, right. Okay. Cracking unit. Whoa. Oh, they need hydrogen. Okay. I was like, whoa, this is a source of hydrogen. No, it's not. we can get more. We can get more diesel from heavy oil. So yeah, so eventually or as soon as possible I need to stop using this. The problem is heavy oil. Heavy oil, I can only burn it. I'm using for producing electricity now, but it's not working. I mean, it's working very well. It's working too well, but I need to, I don't want to say redo this. So let me tell you about the problems of this setup. The problem is, yes, I want to burn excess. I want to use excess light oil and heavy oil. So I want to use it for electricity production. The problem here is, looks like we need to use it more because I doubled the diesel production or fuel production, diesel production. So I doubled the production of light oil, and then light oil, there's too much of it. So I can actually, this is only working 50%. I can get this to work harder. The problem is that I need this steam for the refinery as well. So maybe if I put one more generator, because this one, oh no, this produces 6. So if I put another high pressure turbine and put only one of these power generators, then this is going to be working at 75% for power production, and rest of the steam is going to go here. This is 3 steam, 6, and that's times 2, 9, 18 steam. How much are you producing? 48. Okay, actually, no. 48, I have 30. No, this is not going to work. If I increase the power production here, in this one, it's not going to have enough steam for the refinery. They're going to be using, or vice versa, it's not going to have enough steam for the power production. So I think this is maximum I can do for now. I can build another boiler. And start, yeah, I can build another boiler. Oh, and I forgot about this one. Good. Paper production also needs a little bit of steam. So this is 80, almost 20. Let's say that it's 20 steam. So 20 out of 48 is going there. And half of this is 24 and 20. Okay, so I'm already using almost all of this. All of the steam, by the way. Yeah, I'm almost using all the steam. So this cannot change, but I can build another generator that's going to be fully working on power production, maybe even remove it from the steam system, from this steam system, because this one is working fine. So steam, how am I going to produce steam when I start processing light oil? That's going to, I need to bear this in mind, because this one is running on high pressure steam. And if when I stop producing light oil, or additionally start processing light oil and heavy oil, I will be getting, I need to burn something to produce the pressure. So yeah, that's going to be interesting. I don't know. We'll see what's going to be overproduced eventually. Chickens, not enough food. Okay, so yeah, same old. We're getting food here. Okay. But is this enough then? Oh, right, the corn is being processed here as well, and I need to stop that. If I stop that, if I only produce, yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to do this. I'm gonna produce only, I'm only gonna produce corn for animal feed. And let me just see this, corn grass, okay. Oh, please don't tell me you're burning this. Oh, you son of a bitch. Okay, and they're delivering it directly. Oh, they're delivering it probably here. Yeah, I can't allow them to burn animal food. I really need animal food just for... Oh, come on, man. Oh, this is sulfur. What are you doing? This is beans. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, so let's then disconnect this. I'm gonna stop doing this. Corn is gonna stop using corn for the anaerobic digesters, and we're gonna start using corn for animal feed. Let me see, we have a couple of animal feed recipes here. I think one of them is, oh wait, what was this? Whoa, soybeans. Soybeans are way more, well, let's call it efficient, but how do they grow compared to corn? Let's see, if you click on this, we have soybeans, they're 4-month cycle, this is 4-month as well, but we get double the corn, so yeah, it looks like corn is better for animal feed, like in real life. There we go, but how do I stop them from burning animal feed here? So this is animal feed and I can stop them here. Set recipes and remove this. And remove animal feed from this. I will have animal, like, why are they, no, I shouldn't be doing it like this. I should be doing it while, like, prioritizing that this animal feed is only used for feeding animals. Why are they delivering the animal feed here? So I need to deprioritize this, low priority. I would assume this, yeah, and allow them to be trucked in. Okay, maybe this is gonna change. Okay, I'll enable this because I need to have overflow for animal feed, even though now it doesn't seem like we're gonna have any problems with overflow feed, but eventually it might come to that because I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just building a lot of stuff. We are running out of space, I would have to say, and the forests are to blame. We need to chop all of this down. Also, some of this stuff, I think I'm gonna have to, like, if we try to build anything here, you can see that it's uneven terrain. So if I want to build any industries, I don't know how far I'm gonna go here. This is steel production, how much I'm gonna have to expand my steel production. It's not a big deal, but we have a lot of space. I will probably have to consider removing some of the trees, but yeah. These things I would like to flat earth. I would like to flatten this area so it's usable space, but that's gonna take a lot of How are we doing with mining? Okay, mining seems to be a problem. Heads up. Okay, good that I noticed this. Let's go like this. You upgrade to a bigger one. Yep, please. And you unload that and upgrade to a bigger vehicle. And I'm gonna get you another big vehicle here. So we will have bigger excavator. We will have 2 bigger trucks, but only 1 excavator is gonna be working. I think this might be enough, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. For now, I think I caught this at the last moment. I wasn't even aware of this. Come on, chicken food. We need to produce more. Here we go. Corn is finally. All of this corn now is gonna be used. How much corn is there? You're saying 50, so 60-ish. So 72 animal feed. Well, let's see if this is going to be enough for. And I need to see how they're gonna behave. Okay, vehicles here. Didn't I tell you to be upgraded? Vehicle is waiting for its replacements to be built. Oh, replacement. Okay, sure. This is gonna significantly increase the speed of mining of limestone. That should resolve our issues. But this one here, this is what I'm waiting for. Produce food, darn you. Let's speed this up. And ship engine is almost done. That means we have bridge and engine upgrade. This is this is gonna increase fun of this game because we're gonna be able to search more around the map. So let's speed this up. Good choice, damn you. Okay, this is not working anymore, but it has some corn. 9 out of 10. Needs 1 more corn to produce more, but that's fine. I just need this to be. Well, I need this to be enough for the chickens. We do have a substitute output is full. Okay, we do have a little bit of supply from here, from bread production or bread production chain. Wait, what? They already ate all of it? Come on, man. Okay, this might be a little bit more challenging than expected. how much can you eat? Enable slaughtering, that's fine. Okay. Chickens already don't have enough food. But they'll have it. Do we have any movement over here? Oh, we do. Okay, perfect. We have 7. We have 7 chickens for slaughter. Okay, and how was the egg production? 6.6, and meat production says gonna be 9. So yeah, okay, we're doing good. We're doing good. We are slaughtering chickens. That's great. We are getting eggs. That's great. So people should be happier now. We'll see if this is gonna be enough. But as far as I see here, I have enough. I need 2 of these. So this is gonna give me what they say 9. I don't think it's 9. I think it's gonna be. It should be 18, right? If you're producing everything over this. This is the number of animals expected to be born out of 60 per 60 minutes or 60 seconds. 18 animals. That means that this is going to be 18 then, because you're going to slaughter everything that becomes more, right? Okay. Okay, that seems reasonable to me, but I'm not 100% sure, because, you know, if you're getting 18 and you slaughter everything over this number, this should be 18. Oh, maybe I need 2 chickens to get 1 chicken, 1 chicken meat. But yeah, I'm not sure. But it's okay. It's okay. The band's gonna make it. I do have a potential problem here with the storages. If we overproduce meat, this is absolutely not a problem now, because we're not even producing enough of this. You have another problem, right? Yeah, they have again food problem. Recycling. I'm gonna have to move recycling away from here. Yeah, animal food, we're gonna have to have another, more farms. We're gonna have to have more farms to create more animal food. But, yeah, so I'm thinking if it's reasonable for me to increase the, this into monoculture. What if I do this and, there is some punishment for having monoculture, like if you only have, like, let's see this. If I put where are we? We're actually in the middle of this one. If I put corn and then corn, I think somewhere natural replenishment. I think there's gonna be something. It probably needs to calculate. Probably needs to recalculate. Let's speed this up. Probably needs to recalculate, but we're gonna have some punishment. I'm actually not even gonna do this. I will do it like this. I will mix it up anyway. So I'm gonna mix it up with soybeans and soybeans here, just so we have more. But here, you see, I'm gonna set the recipe for soybeans into animal feed as well. Yeah, it is more. It is more, but we are getting less soybeans per hectare per field, at least according to this. It says here 17, soybeans 6, but doesn't matter. We need a mixture of crops. So yeah, okay. So hopefully this is going to work for us, but we'll see. Okay, ship is done, so we can upgrade the ship. So we have ship engine, yes please, and ship bridge, yes please, and this is going to be 500 steel. We only have 300 steel. That's gonna put a lot of pressure on us. Mechanical parts, looks like the maintenance is almost full. That I'm pretty sure that this is, yeah, and 160. Like, you know what? There's nothing else to do. This is the mission. This is what we need to do. So steel ready to be depleted. Just to be on a safe side, I'm gonna start upgrading this. Should have started earlier. And this was a big mission as well. Do this one. And let's see, electronics. Electronics is already upgraded. Yeah, but it's gonna be depleted soon. It's okay, it's okay. This is what we built the system for. And I'm just trying to make it more resilient for the future with bigger storages for these. Probably should build bigger storages for everything, but hey ho. I didn't. Like, for example, this. Well, yeah, I'm not even producing enough of this. So what are we missing here? Oh, this is working. Why is this not upgraded fully? This one consumes 8 and produces 4. This one produces 4. So I should definitely upgrade it at least 1 level. Then it's gonna consume more stuff, but that's... No, it's gonna... No, I think... excuse me. I think it's fine, just because I don't need these parts in such a vast quantities. And yeah, I do need these parts, right? These parts are just stored here. I need it for lower quality vehicles if I ever needed them. So yeah, overproduction is going here anyway. So this one is constantly working only on 50%, but maybe this is something that I want to do. I want it that way. Anyway, no, it's interesting. It's interesting. I'm just thinking how the setup works, how everything is looking a lot like here. Is everything working okay? Here we go. This guy is not working okay. This is the, what's this, paper? Yeah, we need more paper here. It's being delivered, obviously, but not fast enough. And now you're gonna get paper from here. How is my limestone doing? Not good. Because I'm missing excavator here. The problem with this could be, guys, that I kind of snookered myself with the pipes. Can excavator even come here? Like, okay, it did leave, right? I mean, yeah, maybe, yeah, it can go around. Let's wait for a few moments, and does it mean that replacement was done then? Here? Here we go. Yeah, looks like they have to go all the way around. This is because of my stupid setup of the pipes, so probably I should build more these overpasses and stuff. I'm just gonna remove some of this that I don't need. I'm thinking about... no, I shouldn't think about it, I should just do it. Let's go with water here, put it all the way on the ground. All the way, I think all the way, and then build overpass here as well. Yeah, let's do that. So remove this pipe. We have enough water in the storage, so this is not going to be disrupted too much. But this is level 1 pipe, needs to go on the ground. So level 1 pipe. They need to remove it, and I need to build the overpasses. Obviously, it's not going to go fully on the ground. I'm going to have to build overpass here, but I need it as low as possible. Oh, I can start doing this as well. Like this. Yeah, this looks feng shui. Okay, here we go. 2 big trucks and 1 big, huge excavator. So this is probably gonna do it much faster. I would say, like, I don't want to compare, but small excavator and small truck compared to big excavator and 2 big trucks, that's more than doubling, tripling, whatever. I just need to make sure that I have marked enough territory here for them to mine. Just go crazy on this hill. Yeah, just go crazy on this hill. That's it. And they removed the water pipe. Let's go and build a new water pipe right here. Okay, it's showing where it was. Do I want to try to build it this way? They're saying that it would be better here. No, I want it this way. Okay, the same direction it was before. Yoink, build it. If you build it, they will come. Let's build it. I think right here, it's fine. Yeah, I have some space here if I want another farm, which I'm thinking about. Tree harvester has no trees to harvest. Yeah, boy, definitely I need to give you more trees to harvest, so please cut it all down. But which ones? I wanted to build a pipe in this direction, so let's do it like this and like this. So let's continue just harvesting those trees. Yeah, boy, here we go. The limestone is flowing again. What is this for? Okay, this is weird. Limestone, this is for nothing. I think I can demolish this, right? This and this. This is storing limestone. This is, I think this was the old prefab panel or concrete slab production. Yeah, this is empty now. Sure. Just continue doing what you're doing. It's fine. Do I need to supply more? How much you can process? Only 9 per minute. Okay, so this production is fine. It's just that we ran out of materials, and I probably should have adjusted. Like, the problem here is concrete. We're missing concrete. I can enable these to receive the concrete, but I don't think I need it at the moment. Actually, I'm probably gonna be wrong here. I know that it's needed for this, but we have some concrete slabs here, so this is not a problem. More concrete slabs, where are they used? Nowhere. I think it's only for construction materials. And we have some, so there's no rush for me to do this. To mess with things around here, to allow them to manually deliver cement into these factories. So just do it like this. This is fine for me. Finally, this one is doing the working, so everything is working fine here. Power production, I still didn't connect the water here. Oh, somebody's actually producing power. That's interesting. Did we really need it? Maybe. Yeah, I'm still not happy about burning this. Look, I think I'm gonna just leave it as it is. Let them burn this little bit of light oil, because heavy oil is still being stored. And are we burning the heavy oil first? No. So I don't know what exactly is happening here with the heavy oil. Like, obviously it's being... Why is it being depleted here? Is it refueling the ship? Who is taking the heavy oil? It's only connected to here. Ah, right, okay, sure. That's very slow. Okay, sure, it doesn't matter, I don't care. But very, very interesting. Okay, so yeah, this is where the heavy oil goes. We are using all the heavy oil, so that's not a problem. Okay, right, what's with the animal feed now? Animals are... looks like they are fed, and they're still saying that they're producing 9 chickens. So that would be 1/3 of this. And yeah, the next problem, trimmings. I need to do something with the trimmings. For now, I can burn them. What is this anaerobic digester? Yeah, sure. Or this or this. So do I need compost? I don't think I need compost. I think this would be the best thing for them to do. So trimmings overproduction should go here. One of these was corn, right? Do I still need this as corn for overproduction of corn? I know that it doesn't seem like we need it now, but I think we need like corn can stay on the field, right? That's not a problem. And at the moment, of course, it's definitely not a problem because we have too much of it. But we're gonna have to have overproduction somewhere, to put somewhere overproduction, even though it doesn't seem like we need it at the moment. So trimmings is the next thing. I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna put smaller storage like this. And connect it like this, and put this as trimmings, and connect it with U-shaped conveyor. Connect it to the system. They say it here, so there you go. That's it. So trimmings should have overflow now. So yeah, we don't have a lot of trimmings, but obviously because this chicken farm is doing now better, so they're gonna be processing more meat. So salt, water, and chickens into meat and trimmings, and then trimmings later can be used for sausages, I think. Yeah, flour, but we need to research this. Sausage production, yeah, that's later down the line. It's not close. Yeah, it's actually really not close. This is the end game? No, it's not end game. I mean product, not that we are at the end of the game. Definitely not. Looks like we are far from it. But yeah, meat trimmings. What do we do? Where do I sink it? For now, it's gonna be gas and compost. And what's with the gas now? We are producing gas, and I need to tell them to take the gas away when it's too much of it and store it here. So that's what they need to do. Okay. What else? Let's check the other mines. We have iron mine here. It's full. That's good to know. How are you doing with the designation for mining? Oh, did we fix the ship? It looks a little bit different, doesn't it? Oh no, we didn't. We still need 180 steel produced. Okay, so let's just focus on steel. Some of it goes here. We are consuming like half of it goes into the construction material production, and well, not really half of it. We're only 12 because this is blocked, and then the rest of it goes This is not working at the moment, so or it's very slow. So half of half is approximately gonna go, more than half of half, more than quarter is gonna go into steel storage. So yeah, but we need to keep production of everything else running as well. So this is just gonna take a little bit more time. We have 10-ish minutes of this episode. I can speed this up. Let me just see what we researched. We researched these ship bridge and then ship engine. We are now at recycling. That means unlocks recycling increase. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up. This is one of the things I still didn't upgrade as well. I have materials at the moment. Yeah, I'll do it. Let's upgrade this as well. So yeah, captain's office, and we're gonna have more options what to do with like edicts and stuff. Okay, city looks good, population looks good. There's no more housing. Build a wall. Wall is there. 2 walls. And then natural increase in population is 0.07%, which is very low. But yeah, this is, things work now. We have 135 people extra. What I'm gonna have to do here, I think soon enough the research is gonna be that we can increase housing. So housing number 3. So this is what we're gonna be doing soon enough. Construction materials level 3 and a lot of glass. That's gonna be that's on the agenda. So recycling first, then household goods, and then we have fermentation. I'm still not sure what to do with the ethanol. Looks like it's just like energy, but and I'm not sure that this is better rubber production, because at the moment I'm seeing diesel as kind of like nuisance because we have so much of it, and we are just like, why am I producing all of this? Yeah, so that's that thing. We can see here that the limestone is resolved. We are backlogging it all the way here. We are producing concrete slabs. By the way, these factories, I think I can... No, this is level 2. I thought they were level 1. My bad. That's fine. Level 2, they're already upgraded. But look, they're consuming 3 cement each. And I'm producing only like 1.5. No, I'm producing 3 cement. So I can double this production if I need to. But I don't see the need for that at the moment. So yeah, cement, if it needs to be produced more, we just need 1 more of these machines, probably right next to it, and then I can just play the mental gymnastics with the... Oh, why is this higher? Dag nabbit. Okay, this pipe is not cooperating as I would wish it to do, but it's fine, it's fine. Okay, overpass is there, salt is plentiful, we are dumping this, what are we dumping? We're dumping brine here from desalination, or, yeah, producing, well, this is just experiment, I don't know if this desalination is actually a smart thing or not. Well, excess brine, a little bit of brine is turned into salt here, but yeah, this is also, this could work. This is pumping 108 water, this creates brine, and then brine is put into salt. Yeah, it's doing fine. I don't have any use for the salt, so at the moment. So yeah, why is this connected here? This doesn't give us any salt. Why did I connect this? This makes no sense. This conveyor belt makes no sense here. Sure, leave it alone. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing it later, if I'm gonna need it or not. But I'm gonna have to make it look nicer. Okay, so food looks like it's working-ish. It's not getting me notifications though. What's the food storage inside here? Well, they have 100. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's growing. You can see that internal storage is 120, but they are consuming a lot. But we're producing a lot. Looks like this is the final decision. That is 6.59 and 9 chickens per. What if I do this? Slaughter above 500, right? Let's see how this is gonna react. So we're gonna have more chickens then, we're gonna produce more eggs, and still we're gonna be slaughtering the same amount of animals. Well, more animals, because we're gonna have a faster replenishment or breeding of the chicks. Well, let's just check it out that way. All of this is working. How much steel are we producing? 4 times, that's 48, right? That's all together, and we are only putting a small amount. Oh, here we go. Recycling edicts. Captains. Here we go. Okay, let's do. We have upgraded captain's office. So population growth, no. Disable natural population growth. I don't care. Just leave it as it is. Health boost. Increase safety conditions and get extra 10 health points. Okay, I'm for that. But I'm only getting 1.9 edicts here. The unity points. Okay. Let's not do that. Recycling. Recycling efficiency increased by 12% and okay. Oh, we can even increase this, but look, we're gonna lose a lot of unity. I do want more recycling. Maintenance reduced by 15%. Cargo ship fuel consumption reduced by 10%. I need to see how to get more unity. Like, of course, providing them with different foods and then health. Wait, if I increase health. Right, okay, so let's finish this one off. Health, this is minus 13%. Vehicle pollution, air pollution, water pollution. Well, it is what it is. I mean, I can find ways of reducing all of this by, you know, recycling materials, which I'm doing maximally. But this is health benefit base, water, food. Okay, so what's with the... Yeah, if I increase total health, will this increase the point generation? So let's see here. Health. Okay, so current health is, says here, total health plus 15%. If I increase health by, what was it? Plenty of food, and then where's the health boost? Increase safety conditions, get extra 10 health, 20 health points. Okay, let's do this. This is gonna reduce our unity, but it should boost our unity because we're gonna be healthier, right? Let's see how this works. What's the health? Is this paused or? Oh no, it's not, okay. Health 34%. Yeah, so this does nothing. I mean, like it's negating. So people are healthier. It's more or less the same. Okay, I'm happy with this. Okay, what else there is? Food saver, food consumption reduced. No. Quarantines 20%. No. Disable natural population growth. I don't see the point of that. Every month 4% population will have to pack and leave. Why? Why is this thing? Okay, industrial areas. Increase recycling, yes. Increase research. 35%. Minus 8 unity, minus 6. Well, this is definitely not increasing people's health and stuff, but yeah. Farming boost, no. Vehicle fuel saver. If it's a fuel saver, it can increase health because of the less pollution, right? But I have too much. Cargo ships consume fuel by 10% less fuel. Nah, I don't want that. Maintenance reduced. This could be, but we are producing enough, so I'm not sure. Like every one of these will reduce consumption of some materials, which is good for us. It decreases pollution, but it's only for a small amount, so I'm not really sure if it's worth it or not. Okay, let's see if we can get this one done. Come on, 17 more steel. Bring it. It's probably on the way already. Oh, there was a truck delivered, but we need 7 more. Let's upgrade the ship and boom! There we go. Applying modifications. Let's see how the ship is gonna look like after modifications have been applied. So we see it here. Come on, you can do it. We're on the fastest speed though. No notifications, no negative notifications. We have new product, household goods. I'm not sure how important this is, but I will do this off screen, probably start production of these and continue researching. And boom! Whoa! Merry Christmas! What the hell is this now? That's a ship now. Okay, okay, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Okay, so let's go and send it away, and that's it. What? Why? Why are you not going? Oh, load crew. Okay. Auto repair. Let's see this. Go here. Yay! We can finally. Okay, perfect. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, share, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it. And if you want to support the channel, you have description of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next. Bye.